We're in line to the gold and silver pawn shop. That's where the History Channel show Pawn Stars is filmed at here in Las Vegas, Nevada. There's sexy Lindsay. And here's me.
Take the shit out of myself. You're not making a video. No.
Alright, now we're waiting in line. It's like 110 degrees here in town. Well, actually 117 today.
Maybe.
Okay, we are inside American gold and silver pawn shop.
$20,000 watch.
There's a $20,000 watch
Yes.
that Lindsay is going to buy right now.
Yep. In cash. No, this is $50,000. That's what I want.
Oh, $50,000. Okay.
With tax, it's got to be.
Okay. So yeah, Lindsay's about to purchase that. She's got money. Some will call her. I just call her money bags. That's why I hang out with her, because she pays me.
Yeah, I brought him here.
But yeah. Okay. So this is where all the action is, all the filming is done and stuff. Actually, seeing these swords. I think I remember seeing these swords on the show, like seeing all those swords and stuff when they are working behind the counters and stuff. Oh no, it's pretty neat, huh?
Flip it around.
Say flip the camera.
Oh, I was gonna take a picture. But
Oh yeah, we need to take a picture. Okay. Hey. Hey, jump.
Or none at all.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, what up?
David, Eve. What's going on, Eve?
No,
How you doing?
peace signs.
No peace signs. Fist. War signs.
Fist bump.
There's little Grayson. Grayson, what's up, buddy? Grayson, say hey.
Say hey.
Grayson,
say fist.
say hey, buddy.
Say fist.
Say.
Fist bump.
Let me see that fist bump. All right. All right. That's little Grayson.
Yeah.
Little David Shelton Jr. right there.
Oh man, look at this. Look how far this thing
People
goes
about
down,
to.
dude. Yeah, we're just talking to that guy right there. I don't know if he realizes how far he is dropping.
Is this guy about to jump off now?
Seriously, yeah, he's about to jump on now. His buddy's already done it, so he's got
So
to
do
do it
they
now.
swing or do they literally jump?
I don't know if this guy realizes. Huh? No.
Do they swing or do they
No,
jump off
he just
of it?
jump off of it.
That's
And
amazing.
it just drops.
Wow. I'm getting that on video. I'm going to get this on video. It's so cool. Oh my God.
You just watch it. You'll be amazed.
Maybe skip. Well, I was watching them at least swing when we were going off of an
All right, we're
edge.
gonna watch these people jump off this bungee jump here off the top of the stratosphere. Check this out. It's gonna be awesome. Right. Here we go. Jumping straight from there, going down that way.
Oh, he's going out.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Woo! Hey!
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah, he's gonna do it. All right, man. His buddy already did it. He's
Oh, yeah.
He's like, okay, but
He was kind of breathing. He was like.
I bet you his heart is racing like
Oh, yeah.
crazy
I
right
know,
now.
big
Oh
man.
my God.
do it too, though. It's so worth it, right?
Man, that's gonna be cool.
His buddy kind of fell. Like his buddy Dalt had a second thought
Wow.
at the last minute.
Oh, that's gonna be crazy.
I was going to say, she needs a rope on her. Where's
Oh,
her
I
rope?
know.
She's got one right there on the side.
Oh, okay.
Good.
That's gotta be a crazy job right there. You just on the freaking edge of a platform, like
I don't think I would
1,000
like
feet
to
below.
even accidentally fall with the
No,
rope attached to me.
Oh, that's crazy. Here he goes. He's about to. There you go. They're
Imagine going out for drinks after getting done doing this.
Oh, I know, right?
Talking about a double shot.
Yeah.
That's what we're about to get, some double shots. All right, here we go. He's going. Oh wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at him.
Hey.
Oh, that wind on his leg. He's like, no, I don't want to right now.
Holy
No, I
moly.
don't.
Oh
Oh,
my
goodness.
God.
Get ready, man. You scared?
Goodness. That's oh my God.
Oh my God.
There's adrenaline's got to be crazy. Oh my God. Oh! Dang. That is crazy. That is crazy. It's way on down there. That's a 1,000-foot drop right there.
Wow.
I love how he was like,
Yeah, the whole time he's like this.
oh, I'm so
His buddy just kind of like caught on the edge and then like fell. It's like, you know, it's because the
like pushed himself off.
this leg said I'm jumping, this leg said no, I'm staying still, and so he basically just went like this because it was falling. Yeah. Let's impress Evie some more LB or more views. Everybody, look, there's circus.
Well, let's go downstairs. You guys ready to go to TI?
Oh, we need to let's walk around real quick.
Oh, okay. Y'all want to walk around?
Have you found the base yet? You found Nellis Air Force Base?
We haven't ridden by there. I've been there before.
No, I'm talking about from up here you can see it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, over this way. Yeah.
So I would keep moving that way.
Got a good view now.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there we go. Seem good now. They're not in the grand finale either, so we can make it like the best seat in the house.
It's a nice shape right here.
Yeah, it is. Sweet.
I like that sword. I saw that. Oh, man.
I'm not texting. Here, take this. Just like.
What?
There's people are saying, no texting, there's cops over there. I'm like, oh shit, they are right there. Attention, please. Oh, that is awesome.
I don't know why I was pointing it at the wrong direction, but now we got this. Enjoy the show, everybody. I love how they thought we were texting anyways. Like,
I know.
Hilarious. This is the biggest phone in history right now. Like, shit.
Oh, that's awesome.
Is there, can I zoom in with the video? Or no?
It's not zooming in for some reason. It's not going into
Now
focus.
it
That's
is.
why I was over there just messing around with like, what's up with my focus? So I just keep it zoomed out. That sucks. I don't know why it's doing that. Well, she got a big old tattoo on her leg. See the, oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Well, we ended up with a good view.
We did.
After
Oh,
all.
wow.
That's very good.
Wow.
Oh, there goes a lot. That is very cool. That is, oh, the fountain's going up. Do you see that?
I see the fountain.
That's cool. That's so cool. That was awesome. I wonder if that's it or. That might.